Looking for an IT career with a projected growth rate of 30% and an average annual income of over $100,000 per year? Then you should be looking at a cybersecurity analyst job role. Cybersecurity analysts serve the important function of examining an organization's cybersecurity posture from both a highly technical and a physical point of view. These skilled professionals are to cybersecurity what federal investigators are to law enforcement: highly tested, highly trained, and should make you think twice about attempting a cybercrime. The main tasks of a cybersecurity analyst are to develop plans to safeguard computer files, monitor current reports of computer viruses, encrypt data, erect firewalls, and conceal confidential information, perform risk assessments, test data processing systems, and ensure functional data processing activities, modify computer security files to incorporate new software, correct errors, or change individual accesses. Mile 2 has developed 40 continuing education unit hours worth of courseware to prepare and test you for this important job role. The courseware includes videos, ebooks, lab guides, and hands-on real-world scenario labs in our exclusive cyber range. You can take the course as an instructor-led, week-long live class online, where you will be guided through the entire course and the labs. Or you can take the course as an ultimate self-study combo, which will give you 12 months of access to the courseware, plus access to unlimited practice exams, an exam prep guide, and the certification exam for one low price. It's time to secure your future. Add the CCSA to your list of technology certifications from Mile 2 today.